Untuk pertanyaan selanjutnya untuk Marselino.
Ya, jawaban dari saya mungkin kita tahu chemistry nggak bisa dibangun dalam 1, 2, 3 hari. Dan kalau kita lihat pertandingan Australia, kita banyak yang koreksi. Tapi kita nggak di sini tujuannya bukan seperti itu. Kita di sini tujuannya untuk menghadapi lawan selanjutnya. Jadi kita fokus lawan selanjutnya dan kita evaluasi apa yang ada di lawan Australia dan ya kita mati-matian lawan Bahrain dan kita ngelawan akan mendapatkan 3 poin.
For the English-speaking press, basically the question was in regards to what evaluations were made after the Australian match. And according to Marselino, yes, it's challenging to build chemistry within just a couple of days, but it is going to be a fight tomorrow, and all the players and the coaching staff will do everything they can to get the win tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay. Biru. Name and position.
Ya, sebagai pemain pastinya saya optimis, khususnya saya sebagai pemain, dan ya kita hadapi pertandingan step by step, kita mati-matian setiap pertandingan dan kita menangkan setiap pertandingan. Kita nggak ada tujuan untuk seri, nggak ada tujuan untuk kalah juga, kita harus menangkan semua pertandingan. That's it.
Yeah, so the question was in regards to is it still realistic to go for the runner-up position, or is it more realistic to go for the 3rd and 4th and qualify for a 4th round? According to both Coach Patrick and Marselino, the mindset is just to win every match coming up, take it one match at a time. Everyone's got a positive mindset, and anything's happened in football. It depends on other results, of course, as well. But again, this all depends on every match that is coming up, and the mindset is to win. Thank you.
Okay, and the last question.
Hi Patrick, Michel, Dutch television. Your first week here in Indonesia, what is your first impression?
Well, it's not my first week in Indonesia.
As a manager?
Yeah, okay, as a manager. The first week is, well, actually very good. Although the result, of course, in Australia was devastated for everyone. But yeah, we train good. As I said, we have the right feeling that we can achieve something big together. But the most important thing is that we stick together. We as a team, players, coaches, the whole nation, we need to stand together. And I think that's the message that we also try to give to the people. We players and staff do our best to have the best result, and that's the thing that we can assure.
And what about the way the people live for the football here in Indonesia?
Yeah, it's fantastic. They're very passionate, and I think that that's very important that people are passionate for football. And we try to you know, be together with the people and give them a good feeling that we can achieve something together.
Dankjewel. Thank you.
Dan untuk mengenai ini adalah minggu pertama Coach Patrick di sini sebagai pelatih yang aktif ya, karena laganya sudah berjalan dan perasaannya walaupun ada kekecewaan setelah hasil pertama di Australia, tapi semuanya harus menyatu, yaitu termasuk bukan hanya pemain, tapi pelatih, coaching staff juga, official, untuk menjadi satu unit, termasuk para fans juga, pendukung, untuk bisa menyatu dan mendukung timnas bersama-sama untuk dapetin hasil yang terbaik. Terima kasih.
Oke. Last question for the Marselino. Marselino ya. Oke. Majid. Ke Marselino. Jid. Nama media ya, Jid. Nama. Iya, untuk Marselino. Nama dan mediamu.
Selamat malam, saya Majid dari Tribun News. Untuk Marselino, mungkin bangkit ya dari Australia kemarin. Dari segi pemain sendiri, dari Marselino sendiri, apa yang membuat yakin kalau pertandingan besok Indonesia bisa ngambil 3 poin? Sesimpel itu aja pertanyaannya. Terima kasih.
Ya, kita harus optimis dari pemain. Kita sempat ada meeting bareng dari sebagai pemain, as a player. Dan ya, saya sebagai pemain juga bisa melihat bahwa pemain sangat optimis dan sangat positif untuk pertandingan besok. Dan mereka sangat-sangat tidak sabar juga untuk menantikan pertandingan besok, dan ya kita akan mati-matian dan memberikan yang terbaik untuk Indonesia.
despite the results from the previous match, all the players, including Marselino, of course, he speaks on behalf of the players, is that everyone's got the positive mindset going forward and are fully confident that we're able to perform at their best, and they're going to fight their hardest in order to get the win. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Finish. Thank you. Marselino, photo ba? Together photo. Coach Patrick and Marselino. Yes.
Thank you.